Hi, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix can't activate PS4 as primary PS4. So if you are having trouble activating your PS4 as the primary console, there are a few steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. The first is you just need to check the internet connection. Ensure that your PS4 is connected to the internet. A stable and reliable internet connection is required to activate your console as primary. Next is to deactivate previous primary consoles. So PlayStation only allows one console to be set as the primary at a time. So if you're trying to activate a new PS4 as the primary and have reached the maximum number of primary consoles, for example, it is two per account, you'll need to deactivate the primary status of one of those previous consoles. And to do this, you need to go to the PlayStation Network slash account management settings on that console and select deactivate as a primary PS4. Next is to restore licenses. So on your PS4, try restoring the licenses associated with your account. Go to the settings and next to account management, and then click the restore licenses. This action refreshes the licenses and may help resolve activation issues. Next is to rebuild a database. So performing a database rebuild on your PS4 can help resolve system related issues. Just turn off your PS4 completely, then press and hold the power button until you hear two beeps. One when initially pressed and another after about 7 seconds. Then connect your controller via USB and select Rebuild Database from the previous Safe Mode menu. This process may take some time but can help fix various system related issues. So next is update system software. So ensure that your PS4 is running the latest system software. So you will need to go to settings and then system software update and check for any available updates. So if an update is found, download and install it. It is important to keep your system software up to date and help address compatibility issues. Next is to restore default settings. So if the above steps, if the step is mentioned before don't resolve the issue, you can try restoring the PS4 default setting. So first you need to go to settings and then go to the system. Next is to go to the reset options and select restore default settings. But be careful because this action will erase all your settings and return your console to its factory settings. Just be sure to back up any important data before proceeding. Next, and the last one is to contact PlayStation support. So of course, if you tried all those steps above, still can't activate your PS4 as the primary, it is recommended to reach out to PlayStation support or further assistance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting steps and help resolve the issue. And when contacting PlayStation support, be prepared to provide them with any relevant error codes or messages you're encountering. This will assist them in diagnosing the problem and offering appropriate solution. And that is all for this video. I hope you like, subscribe, and click the bell notification button so you won't miss anything. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of the day.